Oh, so you are the new student, Gayatri Menon.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
So, Gayatri, tell us something about yourself. What do you like to do? What are your hobbies?
Ma'am, I like to
dance, art, cricket, football, reading.
Ma'am, I love music.
Might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry, you make it double. Fikar na kar, koi gal nahi, koi gal nahi, chakde batte.
जिसको सोच सोच उड़ जाए मन की पीस
विषमिकंदा ओन्नु चिंचे Don't worry, be happy.
जब पूरी किसी की बात खुल के कह दो अपने दिल की बात
चिंता करो ना भालो थाको
Stop! That sounds nice. We need a ukulele player too.
I know what.
I think he changed the scale.
So what? It's okay. Wagato.
Got no place to lay your head. Somebody came and took your bed.
Kavale pedade sandoshama iri
कोई तुमको समझे या ना समझे साथ दे तुम्हारा या ना दे
चिंता कर सुनाई